Hurricane Preparedness Week. We are less than a month away from June 1st, the official start of hurricane season. So today we're looking at how to stay safe from water or wind. So make sure you have a place to hide or a place to go. Have a way to receive those weather alerts as they're happening. Make sure you're listening to your local officials. Avoid traveling unless, of course, you're actually evacuating out of the area. And finally, know the impacts are possible far inland from the coast. So even if you live, far away from the coastal areas that the storm is actually making landfall, you can still have an effect from these storms. Now, currently, we are tracking the potential for some showers and storms later this evening. This is the mess that's kind of heading towards the northeast right now. We're down here, and we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northwest of us, far away. So we are going to be looking at some of this stuff. If anybody gets anything, I'm thinking Starr County, okay? That's my thought right now. In fact, we'll take a look at Futurecast, and it does show that some of us getting some sprinkles. But like I said, if anybody gets a rumble of thunder, it's going to be the upper valley. So here's a look at what we have potentially coming. One model's representation between about 1 a.m. 6 a.m. You saw some of those showers, some rain, maybe a downpour, and then throughout the morning, it's gone. We're just dealing with the cloud cover and, of course, the heat. Now, this model takes us up into the hundreds tomorrow. I don't think we are going to hit 100 necessarily, but it's going to be hot. That still stands. So we are looking at highs tomorrow going to be around the 90s. So in terms of severe threat, we got the general thunderstorms for most of us, tip of Starr County, and that marginal risk. Marginal risk is a 1 out of 5 on the scale right here. The rest of us just typical rumbles possible. But like I said, it's looking more and more unlikely as we go. Tomorrow, Cinco de Mayo, it's going to be hot, partly cloudy throughout the day, to mostly cloudy depending on where you fall. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Unless you're on the coast, then it's going to be in the 80s. So Hidalgo County, you're looking at low to mid 90s across the board. And then Cameron County, looking at anywhere from 80s if you're out on the coast to further inland, looking at those in the low 90s. If you do want to go to the beach on your Friday for Cinco de Mayo, not looking too bad. Make sure you wear the sunscreen even with the cloud cover. Still looking at a very high UV index. So stay hydrated. Make sure you're wearing the sunscreen. Now's a great time to download the Valley Storm Team app. You can get current weather radar alerts for your area and hour-by-hour forecast. As like I said, we are nearing the start of hurricane season, and it's always helpful. We have the threat of severe weather. Tomorrow, Cinco de Mayo, 20% chance for the rain early in the morning. Remember, by sunrise, we're clear. Rest of the week, well, mostly cloudy skies.